Welcome back. Now that you understand how to set up your store, it's time to begin setting up products on your store. And to do that, we're going to go to the products area. Now within the product category, you're going to have the product setup, you're going to have inventory, which you may be using for your products, you're going to have a transfer category, you're going to have a collections category, and you're going to have gift card category. We are going to start first with the gift card product. And for example, what we can do is we can click Add a Gift Card Product. And then we can then add in our description. If we're going to add in a file or videos in order to make the sale, we can do that here. You can determine the denominations of your gift card. So for example, you can make it so that you can have just one category of gift card, or you can add in other categories. What you can do with the cards is you can change them to active. And once you change them to active, you can then click Save. What you'll notice now is that your gift cards will now be products in your store. You can also issue a gift card. So for example, what you can do is you can click Issue a Gift Card. And you'll see here that you're going to have a gift card code. And you can issue that gift card to an existing customer, or you can enter a new customer. You'll need to enter that new customer. You'll see a field for a phone number. That's not a required field. You can then click Save. You can set an expiration date for the gift card, and you can then click Save. And then the gift card will be sent to the customer that you set up. That customer will then get an email with a gift card that they can use on your site. When the customer gets the gift card, they can click View Gift Card. And they'll then be able to copy the code and then continue shopping. Once they have the code, they will continue shopping. They will then look to purchase a product. They will then look to either buy it or put it in their cart. And on the right side menu, they will be able to redeem their gift card. They'll then click Apply. And then the item will reflect the reduced price. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.